This is a big issue for lots of people, and it could be a big issue for you, and that is, how do I recover a deleted email message? Look, there's no magic here. I just want to be very clear and explain to you how this works so that you understand what you can and cannot do in the context of recovering deleted email messages. So let me share with you in this video 2 different things to consider. First of all, let's go look at spam. Messages that are in spam, which sometimes it happens. Look, here's, I shared a folder. Teddy Burris, my business account, shared a folder. It's in spam. I don't want it in spam. It shouldn't be there. I should move it out. And then also this other person requested access to a file that I have. Now, neither one of those should be in spam, but they are in spam. And if you do not pay attention to this and 30 days go by, these messages will automatically be deleted. And not only deleted, but listen to these words, permanently deleted, which permanently means there's no recovery. So that's your spam folder in the context of deleted and permanently deleted. Now let's go look at the other box, trash. Again, the same idea applies here as it does in spam. Every message that's in your trash can in Gmail, whether you're using free Gmail or Google Workspace, which is business Gmail, every message in here will get permanently deleted after 30 days. Or, watch this, they will also be permanently deleted if you select them and you hit delete. They have been deleted. Down the bottom, deleted forever. There is no recovery from permanently deleted. There is no recovery from deleted forever. So what you have to do is you have to manage your spam folder and pay attention to what's in there. And you have to manage your trash and be very deliberate about what you delete. If I select that and I hit the delete button, I am very clearly telling myself it's trash. And if you go, oh my God, I shouldn't have done that, then you've got to go back. By the way, you got a few moments to hit undo. But if you miss the undo button and you deleted it, you better go check and make sure that there's nothing in your trash can that you don't want permanently deleted, because there is no recovery from permanently deleted. By the way, the only variations of this is if you're using Google Workspace and your account has some form of a retention of email messages, maybe you can go back to your admin and go to the retention folder and find those messages. But for most of us, they're gone. Pay attention. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy. Hope this helps you to pay more attention.